Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to erase all data from your MacBook Air. Before we begin, it's crucial to prepare your device. First, ensure you back up 100% of your important files to an external drive or cloud. Next, sign out of all your accounts, including your Apple ID, iCloud, and Messages. Finally, disconnect any external peripherals. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure data erasure process. Once your MacBook Air is prepared, the next step is to enter recovery mode. Start by completely shutting down your device. Then, press and hold the power button until you see loading startup options appear on your screen. From there, select Options and click Continue to access the Mac OS recovery environment. This mode provides the essential tools for managing your system. With Mac OS Recovery active, open Disk Utility from the Utilities window. In the sidebar, select your internal drive, typically named Macintosh HD. Click the Erase button in the toolbar. Choose Apps as the format and confirm your action. This process will securely wipe all data from your primary storage, making it ready for a fresh start. After successfully erasing your drive, you can exit Disk Utility. Now, from the main Recovery app window, select Reinstall Mac OS. Follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to install a brand new copy of the operating system onto your MacBook Air. This final step ensures your device is completely clean and ready for a new user, or for you to set up again from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.